In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Cursor on Mac, but this time the VSCode extension, not the desktop app. Okay, let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions panel on the left side. Search for CursorCode. That's the name of the Cursor extension for VSCode. Click Install on the CursorCode extension. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open CursorCode from the sidebar by clicking its icon. Or press Ctrl+Shift+P, Command+Shift+P on Mac to open the command palette, then type CursorCode to find its commands. Sign in or create a free account. That's it. You're ready to use Cursor with ChatGPT 5 inside VS Code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.